This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making strawberry shortcake ice cream cake. You're going to need a quart and a half of strawberry ice cream, a quart and a half of vanilla ice cream, freeze-dried strawberries, 4 tablespoons of butter, 36 vanilla sandwich cookies, and I'm going to use parchment paper and cooking spray to prepare my pan. Today I'm going to be using a 9x9 pan to make our cake. So let's get started. I'm going to lightly spray my pan with cooking spray. And then I'm going to line it with parchment paper. I'm doing this so it's easier to cut, easier to get out to serve. Okay, we're going to take our pan and set it aside. I've put 24 of my cookies inside a food processor. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to pulse it to the consistency of sand. I'm going to remove my lid, and I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm just going to pulse this a couple of times to get the butter mixed into the cookie crumbs. I'm going to pour my cookie mixture into my pan. We're going to make our crust with this. We're going to push this down to form our crust. We're going to take our crust and put it in the freezer for an hour to let it harden. It's been an hour and our crust has hardened. My ice cream's been out for a half hour, so it should be easy to work with. So we're going to take our ice cream and we're going to put it inside our pan. I did put the whole thing. We're going to see how much we need. I'm going to smash this down with my spoon. And I'm going to use my icing spatula to make this even across. Okay, this looks perfect. Let's stick it in the freezer for another hour. We're going to put our last 12 cookies into our food processor. This is the topping for our cake. We're going to pulse this to more like a gravel type consistency. I'm going to pop this off. We're going to add 3/4 bag of freeze-dried strawberries. This is actually a 1 ounce bag. I'm going to add the whole bag of freeze-dried strawberries. Let's put this lid on. We're just going to pulse this a little bit till it looks like this. Now let's set this aside and add the rest of our ice cream. Our ice cream cake has been in the freezer for 30 minutes, and we still have to wait 30 more minutes before it's ready to put on the vanilla ice cream. But I'm taking the ice cream out now, 30 minutes before, to give it time to soften so it's easier to work with. Our ice cream cake has been in the freezer for an hour, and the vanilla ice cream has been sitting out for a half hour. So we're going to open this up, and we're going to scoop out some ice cream. We want to just put enough to get us to the rim of our pan. I'm going to smash this down with my spoon. I need some more. I'm going to spread this across and smooth it with my icing spatula. Yeah, maybe we can put a little bit more on this side. Nice and smooth. Now we're going to take our strawberry topping and smash it in. smells incredible. We're going to smash this in because we don't want it to just all fall off when we serve our cake. Our strawberry shortcake ice cream cake looks amazing. If you have the time, it's best to leave this in the freezer overnight before you serve it. But if you don't have time, 2 hours in the freezer will suffice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.